What is up, guys? Doing something I've wanted to do for a while now, but we just haven't had a chance to do it, and that is weigh the race truck. So I already had it loaded up. As you can see, I'm towing her back there. But I haven't weighed this thing even since we did the back half. Last time I weighed it, it had a full frame, full exhaust. You know, it was a completely different rig. We've essentially weighed every part that we've taken off and showed you guys all that, and I've kind of just done some math to try to figure out where I think I'm at, but I really have no idea. So we're gonna find out today, you know, within around 20 pounds or so on this big scale. But yeah, I'm super pumped. You know, I have expectations. I'm hoping, you know, 4,200 or so with me in it would be sick. I don't know. I know it'll be under 45. We know that, but what will it be? So take this time right now, go down in the comments, leave a comment what you think it's gonna weigh, with me in it, without me in it, whatever. I'm 180 pounds, so just specify maybe what you think the front weighs, what you think the back weighs. I really have no way of knowing if you watched the video and then left a comment, but just for fun, you know, drop a comment and see if you can get close. So I'll give you some time right now. You got some time. What are you doing? I see you. Go down there, type it in. Takes like a minute. Not even. I'm waiting. All right. So since you did that, let's unload this thing and get her on the scale. All right, we're about to pull her on. What do you think, J-Dog? What do you think?
I don't know.
What's it gonna weigh, son? With me in it. I'm 180 pounds.
I wouldn't have guessed. Around 6.
It's gonna be between 4,000 and 4,500 pounds.
I was off.
I'm gonna give you those. Now you tell me a guess, son.
4280.
4280 with me in it?
Yes.
Was it 4,000 something without me? Is that 4080? 4,080.
But it ain't enough.
Let's see with me. 4,260. Man, my math is pretty good. I was pretty close. What was the front? What's the front weight?
I have no idea. I didn't see it. You went off too fast.
You said 24.
Oh, no, it's 29. 29 something.
29 something. Let's see what the back is. So what do we got? 1160 with me in it. How about when I sit in the driver's seat? 1240. 1240? You're a pretty good guesser. You know what Jeremy guessed today? What? Jeremy, when you're watching this, you were super close. I think you said 4285 or something. So a couple more cheeseburgers in me and you're there, dude. Maybe put my helmet on. It's pretty good. Yeah, I lowered it. Does it look lower?
Yeah, it looks way lower.
Does it look better?
Yes.
We need to be 4,000, huh? Under 4,000 without me in it. So we got to cut some more weight, huh? I think we just start taking body panels off. Take the front end back off. That's 60 pounds right there.
Cab lights, they're 60 pounds.
Cab lights? No. Some things you just can't get rid of, J-Dog.
Well,
We still got steel bed sides. We need a smaller fuel cell. Delete one of the tranny coolers. We don't need those where we're going. Cut out more metal of the cab, probably.
What else do you have in the cab? Yeah.
The floor. Just no floor it. Carpet? No, we gotta keep the carpet, man. We got a show truck here. Well, we got some work to do.
I don't even know what else you could.
There's always something. The roll pan? Nah, looks too cool. Oh, this is hard. J-Dog, I know exactly where we can lose 60 pounds.
Where?
Turbos, bro. Delete these. That's 75 pounds right off the top right there.
Let's go to
Big single?
One big single.
More nitrous? Let me know what you guys think. That would be the weight right there. All right, one last weight. We'll get the whole rig on here. Power Stroke, Forces, trailer, race truck. 14,960. Can't complain about those numbers. It's pretty funny how you can think of where you started and start subtracting how much metal you cut out and weighing how much you put in and weighing parts, and you can get a pretty good idea. And shoot, I mean, I was right on there. So now, just like anything though, you can't stop. It's like, where do I go now? What do I cut off next? So we got to figure that out. So we're back in the shop, and that was last weekend that we weighed this thing. And I got on my Instagram, and if you guys watched the last video, you saw that. And I put out a little thing for everyone to guess what the weight was. And pretty pumped, happy that all you guys DM me, so many of you guys with guesses. And I love seeing all the different numbers. Some people way too light, some people way too heavy, some people pretty close. But we do have a clear winner, and he met all the requirements, and actually no one got closer anyways. So straight up, I'm gonna give it to him. So we're gonna scroll through some of these DMs, and then I'll show you guys who the winner is. All right, so I mean, these are all guesses here. So you guys, oh, it's not even loading. You guys killed it, but there is one winner. Let me find him. Boom. Going out to Blake. He said 4,020 pounds without driver. This thing was 4060, so he was within 40 pounds. And he guessed I weigh about 182, so that wasn't really part of it, but he's pretty close there. No one else got closer. So Blake, you're freaking nailed it, dude. I'm gonna Venmo you that 20 bucks. Also, I gotta give a shout out to C. Barrett here. He was super close. He said 4,084, but I can't change the rules. I said you couldn't go over, so he went over only 4 pounds. I know I was saying 4,060, but it was actually 4,080. And he'll send me a screenshot that he was subscribed on YouTube, and he didn't do that. But thanks to all you guys that did. So gonna give him a shout out. He didn't actually win, but he was within 4 pounds. So pretty good guess there. But I even told him do the rest, and he didn't do it. So that's what happens. Overall, I'm happy with the weight. I mean, 4,060 pounds without me is pretty light, but being so close to that 3,900 range makes me want to lose another 60, 70 pounds, you know, off the top. And I don't know, earlier in the video I mentioned, you know, dropping these two would definitely get me there, but I still want to be lighter. I mean, to be 4,000 with me in it, I don't know if it's possible with stock axles and sheet metal and stuff, because I don't want to go fiberglass front clip. I don't want to go fiberglass bedsides. But I am going to keep trying to find more places to save some weight. So I know it's not actually the lightest four-wheel drive second gen drag truck. Austin Dodge, I think his truck's a little lighter than mine. Adam Foltz, his truck is like full tube and more fiberglass. But technically one's a common rail now, and one's a P-pump 24 valve. So the lightest on YouTube though, perhaps. So maybe I'm there. But we're gonna wrap up this video here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.